Welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought in new updates regarding faculty recruitment. Before starting, I request you all please like, share and subscribe my channel. So the first college where the recruitment is going on is in Shivalik College of Engineering or Shivalik Institute of Professional Studies or Shivalik College of Pharmacy. This group is in Dehradun. They have vacancies for director, registrar. For director, the qualification required is BTech and MTech with industry expertise or BTech and MTech and PhD with research expertise. And for registrar, any postgraduate degree in professional field like engineering, pharmacy and management can apply. They also have vacancies for professor, associate professor and assistant professor in cyber security, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, energy engineering, agronomy, genetics and management. The eligibility required for management is full-time in MBA with major specialization in HR management, finance, marketing, IT, retail management, MBA and PhD with research expertise or MBA with industry experience will be preferred. Eligibility for agronomy and genetics is BSc, MSc and PhD in agriculture with minimum 10 years of academic administration experience. For other BTech, MTech and PhD with research experience or a BTech and MTech with industry experience or BTech and MTech with teaching experience will be given preference for other post. So who are interested to apply in this college, you have to send your latest CV with photograph to hr@sce.org. Next college is New LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology, Bodak Dev. This college has the opening for first post is director and principal. One vacancy is there for professor CSE and IT branch. Two vacancies there for associate professor in CSE and IT. 5 post is there, and for assistant professor CSE and IT plus maths. The vacancy is 15 for CSE and IT and 2 vacancies for maths. So if you want to apply, then you have to open the link http colon slash njku.edu.in slash jobs within 7 days. This college is in Gujarat. Second college or university, you can say Sandeep University. This university is in Nasik, Maharashtra. They have vacancies for dean, professor, associate professor and assistant professor. Only PhD candidate can apply for the position in the area of engineering, aerospace, mechanical, electrical, civil or computer. For law, fashion designing, sciences, in sciences, microbiology and mathematics, and for foreign languages, English, German and French. They also have vacancies for director and deputy director. For that, research and consultancy, for training and placement, for industry interaction cell, vocational studies, national admissions, international admission. They also have vacancies for project manager in civil branch, finance officer, HR, registrar, deputy registrar and administration. So if you want to apply for these all positions, so you have to send your resume on career@sandeepuniversity.edu.in. This college has 2 campuses. First one is in Nasik and second Sijaul, and this campus is in Neelam Vidya Vihar, Sijaul, Madhubani, Bihar, India. Next college, Kumar Guru Institute institutions. They are inviting application for two colleges, Kumar Guru College of Technology and Kumar Guru School of Innovation, and third college, Kumar Guru College of Liberal Arts and Science. In technology, they have vacancies for associate professor, For smart manufacturing, if you have UG, PG in mechanical or manufacturing related field with PhD in a smart manufacturing domain, expertise in automation and robotics or RPA is required. For Kumar Guru School of Innovation, they have vacancies for HOD, for BTech in artificial intelligence and data science. For that, PhD in machine learning or artificial intelligence or data science will be required. Second one, assistant professor for MBA in innovation, entrepreneurship and venture development. If you have MBA with 7+ experience, then you can apply. And third one, for associate professor in cyber security, if you have PhD in cyber security, then you can apply. And last one, Kumar Guru College of Liberal Arts, they have vacancies for HOD for BSc data science. The qualification required MSc data science in or computer science with PhD with expertise, extensive technical expertise and academic or industry will be preferred. And professor in BBA for international businesses, for that MBA and PhD in management will be required. So if you want to apply, then you have to send your resume for both Kumar Guru College of Technology and Kumar Guru School of Innovation. The email ID is same, careers.kct.ac.in. But Kumar Guru College of Liberal Arts and Science, you have to send your resume on careers.kc-ac.in. You have to submit your resume within 15th of April 2021. Next college, PMC Perumal Technical Campus. This college in Tamil Nadu. They have vacancies for professor, associate professor and assistant professor for aeronautical, civil, computer science, EC, electrical electronics, mechanical, mechatronics, IT and MBA in finance. They have also vacancies for lab instructor for CSC, mechanical, electrical electronics, EC, physics, chemistry. Also have vacancies for physical education teacher and librarian. Candidate with PhD will apply for both professor and associate professor. Candidate with relevant qualification and experience can send your application to the secretary with passport size photo by post or by email within 7 days from the date of advertisement. Email ID they have given hrd@pmctech.org, or if you want to send it via speed post, then you have to send to the secretary and type the college address. And you have to also mention at the top for the post of professor or associate professor or assistant professor and in department which you are going to apply for. Next college, Bignans University. This college in Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. They have vacancies for professor, associate professor and assistant professor in computer science and engineering. Eligibility required is PhD from reputed institution like IIT, NIT or some well-reputed private university will be preferred, and the candidate who have submitted PhD thesis may also apply. Who have interest in this university, you have to send your resume on recruitment@bignan.ac.in by 5th of April 2021. And before next college, I request you all please visit Careersly, which is guiding all the graduate students who are get qualified regarding PhD interviews in various colleges like IITs, NIT, how you will face the interview. I will show you the website of that Careersly. You have to go to Google and type Careerly Mates. From that, this type of interface will be open. Here you can see post get guidance. Here you will get all IIT course review, old IIT's interview experiences, IISc interview experience, new IIT course review, NIT course review, other premier institutions, and if you have attended any NIT or IIT's interview, then also you can add from here, add a course review or add an interview experience. They also have a Telegram group which you can join, where they have posted regularly all IITs interview all interview by candidate who has faced that. They have given this link. Join our Telegram group, PostGate Guidance, to get all the updates regarding PhD admission. They have given. Discuss with seniors in Telegram group for respective gate paper. You can ask the various questions there. PostGate Guidance Civil, PostGate Guidance Mechanical Engineering, PostGate Guidance CSE and IT, PostGate Guidance means for other branches, different branches. You can get the guidance here. They have different members Ansari Usama, and he is the head of this career element, and he is doing MS in IIT Madras. Pritesh Kumar C, he is doing MTech from NIT Surathkal, and Vipin Gupta, IIT Patna, he is pursuing his MTech. Research partners, this is Amrendra Kumar, that's me, pursuing PhD from NIT Rourkela. Chandan Teluja, embedded engineer, learning with Chandan YouTube channel, and this Deepak Bakshi, he is doing PhD from IISc Bangalore. Navjot Kaur, PhD doing from IISc Bangalore, PhD IISc Bangalore Chemical Engineering. Ravindra Bhardwaj. So also they have some review partners like Apurv Dikshit, IIT Kanpur, MSR VLSI. Kuldeep C Rathore, Kuldeep is an academy educator now. Maybe he has left that an academy and giving free guidance on YouTube, like something in Info Booster channel. Praveen Sharma, founder and CEO at Mechanical Panto Maths, he is also partner of that. And last one, an academy educator, YouTuber, NIT Trichy, Siddhartha Shukla. In this section, if you click on triple line, then you can get all the college like IISc and IITs, whole course review, interview experiences, different things you can get here. And you also can attach, if you have attended the interview, then also you can attach that thing here. So you have to directly click on this add a course review or add an interview experience. You can post your interview experience here. The next college, Kamraj College of Engineering and Technology. This college in Chennai. They have vacancies for professor, associate professor, assistant professor, and librarian in computer science, information technology, artificial intelligence and data science, biotechnology, mechatronics engineering. Minimum eligibility given for assistant professor BE, Tech and ME, MTech or integrated MTech in relevant branch with first class can apply for that. For associate professor, if you have PhD degree in relevant field and first class or equivalent at either bachelor or master in the relevant branch and at least 6 research publication in SCI or UGC or AICTE approved list of journals, then you can apply. Experience required, minimum 8 years and of experience in teaching or research, out of which at least 2 years shall be post PhD experience. For professor also PhD will be required and first class either at bachelor or master. 6 research publication in SCI or UGC or AICTE approved list of journals and at least 2 successful PhD guided as a supervisor. Minimum 10 years of experience they are requiring in teaching, research or industry, out of which at least 3 years shall be post PhD. Post equivalent to that of associate professor. And the qualification required for librarian, master in library science, desirable if you have PhD in library science, then you will be preferred. So you have to forward your updated resume and consolidated mark sheet within 15 days from date of advertisement. Date of advertisement to the email ID mail@kamrajengineering.edu.in. Candidates having history of arrears need not apply. Means if you have earlier applied, then there is no need for that. Next college, Periyar Maniammai College. This college is in the address is not showing, but you can type it on Google. Periyar Maniammai, maybe it is in Kerala. They are inviting application for registrar For that, if you have PhD and master degree with experience in handling computerized administration, legal, financial establishment matter, 15 year of experience if you have, then you can apply. Age will be not more than 57 years. They also have vacancies for finance officer. For that, if you have CA or ICWA or MBA in finance or MCom from recognized university, then you can apply. Along with that, 15 years of teaching experience, 15 years of experience with minimum 8 years of administrative experience will be required. Relevant experience in any reputed institute of higher education will be preferred. Professor and associate professor, they have vacancies in architecture, aerospace, biotech, EC, electrical, electronics, mechanical, computer applications, software engineering, animation and multimedia, management studies, commerce, social work, English, physics, chemistry, education. The qualification and experience is as per AICTE norms. Retired person can also apply for faculty position. Person with disability or transgender person with required educational qualification and experience can also apply for the apply here. So if you want to apply in this college, you have to send your updated resume on HR pmist@pmu.edu on or before 15th of April. This college in Tamil Nadu. Here it is the address is given. Periyar Maniammai Institute of Science and Technology. Next college, Rai University. This college in Gujarat. They have vacancies for professor, associate professor, assistant professor and teaching assistant in a School of Pharmacy, Raya School of Engineering, Raya School of Management Studies and Raya School of Sciences. They also have some non-teaching position vacancies like manager, assistant manager in admission, admission counselor, telecaller, manager, assistant manager in HR, content writer, senior executive or executive. Examination must have excellent MS Excel knowledge. Qualification is as per AICTE norms. So if you want to apply here, so you have to send your resume to HR department at hrm@raiuniversity.edu. So that's all about today's. If you have liked the videos, then share it with friends who require like faculty jobs. And if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe and must visit Careerly Mate for post get guidance regarding different IITs or NITs interviews, how you can face like that, and they also have and you can also post your interview experience there. So thanks for the video, and thank you.